Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and this morning I'm joining Two Crafters, One Design, and that's Melissa with Moe Creations, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards, and I'm also joining hashtag #SatMoreMakes, and that's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So Two Crafters, One Design, they give you a theme each week and they want you to create something using that theme and then post it on Saturday morning. Hashtag #SatMoreMakes, Jill just wants you to post on Saturday morning whatever your heart's desire as far as crafty items that you've created throughout the week. So luckily I was able to join this week for both hashtags, and I made a card, and let me share with you the items I used to create the card. So first up, I used these cute little gems from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby. Also from the Paper Studio, I used these floral embellishments. Really like these. It's my last one. I guess I need to get some more. From Prima Flowers, I used these really pretty florals. Excuse me. They are just really pretty. They look like they're ink blended a little bit because of the different colors. I really like these a lot. And then I also used something new to my stash, and that's this Spellbinders Perfect Touch Arches and Tags. It is 7 cutting dies, and this is how they look here. Really awesome. And then I also use this Sweet Miss Daisy Designs stamp set. I used this, was it last week, I think? I can't remember. And created a card, and this week's theme was postage, so I got this stamp set out again. You have to excuse me, I'm still trying to recover from this super cold that I had, but I'm feeling a lot better. So let me share the card. So here's the card. So I thought I would do just something super simple and make a birthday card. And then here's where I stamped the little stamp with the little postage. It says postcard here, and it has a date, December 29th, 4 p.m. I think it's 1904 or something like that, which is pretty cool, Philadelphia. And then I kind of pushed it up, stamped it down here on the edge, and then I stamped it over here a little bit, but you can't see it because I've added the florals. So on these florals, in an effort to make my card a little bit more malleable, they have these little stamens here that are kind of hard, and I thought, hey, I'll replace them with some hard little gems. So I think I like these better than the ones that that they have on the florals. And then this stamps little sentiment is from I think a waffle flower sentiment. I have cut out so many of these, and I just have them, in a binder ready to go. And so this is my card. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching, everyone. And thank you, everyone, for your well wishes from my last video, because I was kind of like a little bit down and out. But like I said, I'm a lot better now. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Here in California, we'll be celebrating Cesar Chavez Day on Monday. So we'll be having a 3-day weekend, which I am really excited about. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.